Hi, do you want to talk about family members in Chinese? Do you want not only to learn, but also to practice speaking? If yes, this video is for you. In this video, we will look at some related vocabulary, sentence structures, and practice speaking. Let's look at the vocabulary.
家人，家人，家人，兄弟姐妹，兄弟姐妹，兄弟姐妹，哥哥，哥哥，哥哥，弟弟，弟弟，弟弟，姐姐，姐姐，姐姐，妹妹，妹妹，妹妹。
Let's look at some sentence structures. 你有兄弟姐妹吗？你 means you. 有 means have. 兄弟姐妹 means brothers and sisters. 吗 means do. We use ma to form a question. So, do you have brothers and sisters? 你有兄弟姐妹吗？ Another sentence structure. 我有 I have. 我 means I. 有 means have. For example, 我有一个哥哥。一个 means one. We use 个 as a major word to count. 一 means one. 个 there's no translation for it. We use it as a major word to count. 哥哥 means elder brother. 我有一个哥哥。I have one elder brother. Another example. 我有两个弟弟。两个 means two. 弟弟 means younger brothers. 我有两个弟弟。我有三个姐姐。I have three elder sisters. 三个 means three. 姐姐 means elder sister or elder sisters. 我有三个姐姐。Another example. 我有四个妹妹。四个 means four. Again, 四 is the number four. 个 is the major word that is used for counting. 四个 means four. There's no translation for 个。妹妹 means younger sister or younger sisters. 我有四个妹妹。Another sentence structure. 我有和 means and. For example, 我有一个姐姐和两个弟弟。I have one elder sister and two younger brothers. 我有一个姐姐和两个弟弟。Do you remember the vocabulary and the sentence structures? It's time for the practice. How do you say, do you have brothers and sisters in Chinese? Do you have the answer? 你有兄弟姐妹吗？你有兄弟姐妹吗？ Could you say it out loud, please? 你有兄弟姐妹吗？ How do you say, I have two elder brothers in Chinese? 我有两个哥哥。我有两个哥哥。What about this sentence? I have one younger brother. Please say it out loud, please. 我有一个弟弟。我有一个弟弟。I have 4 elder sisters. How do you say this in Chinese? Do you know the answer? 我有4个姐姐。我有4个姐姐。I have 3 younger sisters. How do you say younger sisters? Do you remember? 我有3个妹妹。我有3个妹妹。Could you say it out loud, please? 我有3个妹妹。What about this sentence? I have 1 elder brother and 2 younger sisters. 我有一个哥哥和2个妹妹。我有一个哥哥和2个妹妹。I hope you enjoy watching. Please leave me your comments below and let me know the topics you like. I can make more videos related to your interests. See you in the next one. Bye.